Mom, what are you making?
I am feeling very hungry.
I am making cheese sandwich for you.
Oh wow, cheese sandwich is my favorite.
Please give me quickly.
Wait for 2 minutes.
Its smell is very nice.
Yes, I know, but first go and get ready for school. And pack your bag too.
Mom, can you give me one more sandwich in my lunch? I will share it with my friends.
Okay, get ready quickly, you are getting late. Are you ready for school?
Yes, I am.
Today is your maths exam. Did you revise your syllabus properly? Rohit, you don't study. Seriously, it's very bad. Did you kept your all books and notebooks in your bag properly?
Yes, Mom.
You forgot your drawing book at home yesterday. Okay, go now, your bus will be coming soon.
Mom, where are you?
Hey honey, I am here. How was your day?
Pretty good.
Okay, go and change your uniform. So how was your exam?
It was superb. I got 10 out of 10.
That's great, well done. What do you like to eat tonight?
I want corn cutlet and Oreo milkshake for tonight. Can you make for me, please?
Definitely, I will cook for you.
Mom, is the food ready?
Yes, almost.
Mom, may I help you in serving food?
No dear, thanks, you go and play, I will call you soon.
Can I have a scoop of ice cream?
No dear, you have cough and cold, so you should avoid it.
Mom, can I go to Rahul's house?
Okay, have you finished your schoolwork?
Yes, Mom, I have finished.
Okay, go and come back soon. Hey honey, look your room. It's looking so messy. Keep all the things properly. What are you looking?
I am coming in 30 minutes. Your room should be clean. Do you need my help?
No, Mom, I will clean everything myself.
That's good.
Now you have grown up.
You should always keep your room clean.
Okay, Mom, I will keep it in mind.
Okay, finish it quickly, I am waiting for you in the drawing room.
Good morning, Mom.
Hi sweetie, good morning, did you sleep well?
Yes, Mom. What are you doing?
I am dusting the house.
Where is Dad?
He is reading the newspaper in the balcony. Go and freshen up after that. We will make breakfast together.
Okay, great idea, but what will we make? Let's cook Daddy's favorite breakfast. What is his favorite breakfast?
He likes banana pancake with jam in the breakfast.
How to make banana pancake. Can you teach me?
Okay, let's make breakfast together.
Okay, now go and freshen up quickly.
Okay, I am waiting for you in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.